Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're getting behind the wheel of a purebred performance machine, now the all-new 2024 Mercedes-AMG C-Class Coupe. This isn't just a coupe, it's a sculpted fusion of heart-stopping power, luxurious comfort, and exhilarating driving dynamics. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the latest iteration of the AMG C Coupe, a car that begs to be unleashed. The AMG C Coupe's design is a masterclass in aggressive elegance. The signature Panamericana grille dominates the front fascia, flanked by fierce LED headlights that hint at the power lurking beneath the hood. The muscular fenders, the sloping roofline, and the available aerodynamic package create a silhouette that screams performance and demands attention on the road. Slide into the C Coupe's cockpit and be greeted by a haven that blends luxurious comfort with performance-oriented details. Premium Napa leather seats with red stitching hug you in place during spirited driving, while the motorsport-inspired steering wheel puts all the essential controls within easy reach. The high-resolution digital instrument cluster and the latest MBUX infotainment system keep you informed and entertained, seamlessly integrated into the sleek dashboard design. Now, let's talk about the beating heart of this beast, the powerful AMG engine. Choose from a range of potent options, including the fire-breathing that throws down horses, ready to propel you from 0 to 60 in a heart-stopping. The AMG-tuned suspension, the precise steering, and the available all-wheel drive system ensure that every twist and turn is a thrilling adventure. This is a car that begs to be pushed on the track, but it also handles daily commutes with refined composure. The 2024 AMG C Coupe isn't just about raw power and athletic handling, it seamlessly integrates technology to enhance your driving experience. The intuitive MBUX infotainment system boasts AMG-specific displays and provides access to performance state and driving modes. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning ensure you reach your destination safely, without sacrificing the thrill of the drive. If you yearn for a car that delivers pulse-pounding acceleration, sharp handling that begs for challenging roads, and a luxurious cabin designed to pamper you between exhilarating drives, then the AMG C Coupe is a dream come true. It's more than a car, it's a statement piece of automotive